Hi there, first graders. Today we are going to learn about writing a letter. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to know and label parts of a letter. In class, you should have already listened to the story, Dear Mr. Blueberry. If you haven't, stop this video and go listen to the story. All right, in the story, Dear Mr. Blueberry, there were lots of letters between Mr. Blueberry and Emily. Here is one example of those letters. It says, Dear Mr. Blueberry, I love whales very much, and I think I saw one in my pond today. Please send me some information on whales as I think he might be hurt. Love, Emily. I want to teach you that when writing a letter, there are different parts. The first part of a letter is your greeting. Your greeting tells who the letter is written to. This letter is written to Mr. Blueberry. The next part of your letter is the body. This gives lots of information to the reader. You can end your story with a closing. And you always finish your letter with a signature. This tells who the letter is from. Now that we know what each part of the letter is called, the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature, let's look at another letter and see if we can remember all the parts of a letter. Dear Emily, here are some details about whales. I don't think you'll find it was a whale you saw because whales don't live in ponds but in salt water. Yours sincerely, your teacher, Mr. Blueberry. What is this part of a letter called? You guessed it, the greeting. What is this part of a letter called? You got it, the body. What is this part of the letter called? Again, it's the closing. You are a rock star. How about this part of the letter? Wow, 4 for 4. That's the signature. Great job, everyone. Okay, writers, we learned about 4 parts of a letter today. Now it's your turn to use the hand tool in Seesaw to move those words next to each part of the letter. Good luck!